What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on. And hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle X1M, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, The Hussle Family, Turn Motivation into Millions, and Dog Pound Exotic Pups. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. Alright, got a lot of fake King Hussle pages out there, so please get a FaceTime verification card or video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing legit business and getting what you paid for, all right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only, not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. So y'all already know what it is. This is my credit channel. This is my how to make money channel. This is my motivation to millions channel. This is the channel that you watch that's going to get you rich, all right? So today's video, I'm going to show you how to go from little money, $0, nothing, to 100,000, to $250,000, to $500,000, to $1 million. How to really get a bag. How to really start making passive income. The type of things to invest in to make passive income, because a lot of people just don't get it. So I'm gonna help you get it. I'm gonna help you understand in this video. All right, so let me really break down to you guys how the world works, because a lot of people out there just think, oh, once I get $1 million, that's it. I don't have to work anymore. I could just live life, have fun, things like that. And it doesn't work like that, because at the end of the day, bills are going to continue. Bills are never going to stop. It costs to live. You got to pay rent, mortgage. You got to pay for light bills, gas, water. You got to pay for clothes. You got to pay for toothpaste, soap, deodorants. You got to pay to travel, gas. You got to pay for a lot of different things on a daily basis. So life isn't free. And some people just can't handle it. Some people just don't believe in themselves enough to make it happen. Some people are really stuck in a mind frame that other people are supposed to do all the work, and they just live off them and benefit off them. And it does not work like that. And we need to start understanding that. It's a lot of people out here that thrive off negativity. It's a lot of people out here that go outside all day, every day, and make no money and just post videos with guns and smoking. It's a lot of people who work 9-to-5 jobs who get that job and say, oh, I got a job, just paying my bills. It's doing what I need to do, and they get content. They don't want to do any more. They doing more and making changes is almost a bad thing for them. And the most successful people out in the world are the people who are investing, the people who are always coming up with new ideas to make more. Because at the end of the day, there's a billion ways to make some money. So many different ways. Everything is a business. Everything is generating money. But are you generating money for somebody else? And that's what you got to understand. See, there's a lot of people out here that ask questions like, oh, what would you do with $1,000? How can I turn $1,000 in this? How can I get this loan? How can I get this bag? How can I do this? How can I do this? By learning and by understanding how and waking up and really understanding how life works. Because there's 18, 19, 20, 21-year-olds out there with good credit that get their business together and got everything together. You gotta look at an 18, 19-year-old who got their business together from an 18, 19-year-old that's smoking, drinking, riding around with guns all day, not establishing anything. A lot of people want to have fun in life and don't understand by having too much fun will get you in a place that you don't want to be. Broke, in jail, depressed, out the world. See, when you really want to become successful, you got to make sacrifices. You got to come up with a plan, and you got to understand what are the things that's hindering you and stopping you from accomplishing this plan. If you got buddies out there, because at the end of the day, we all know what's real. You might be somebody that's kicking around people, and you really deep down inside don't even want to do this. But that's all you got. Because if you stop hanging around them, you're going to have nobody else to hang with. You're going to be lonely. But that might be just what you need to get yourself in order and get on your own lane. That might be what's hindering you from making your money. Everybody doesn't have the same thinking or mind frame to become successful or work hard to do something in life. But everybody wants the exact same thing in life. No one wants to put in the grind, the work, and the time, and the overtime to become successful. They just want it to fall out the sky. And those are the people who never accomplish anything in life because they're stuck in the same place waiting for this thing that's never going to happen. And the thing that can change anybody's life and get anybody paid and rich is credit. The number one money game in the world. Because without it, you can't do anything. They check your credit when you get a house, a car, loans, credit cards, lines of credit, store cards, cell phones. They're checking credit for everything. And after a while, after you start trying to get things that has to revolve around credit and you can't get it because your credit is bad, you're going to start feeling bad. You're going to start feeling ashamed. Like, man, I need to get it together. Now, everybody wants to be this big-time successful rapper or somebody. Get this record deal or something like that. Not understanding that if you understood business, you won't put yourself in that position. Because if you get your credit score together, you get your business credit together, you can sign yourself, literally. You can go apply for a loan for your business, your record label production company, get a $2 million loan, and you just got the money that the record label's going to give you. Now all you got to do is pay back their $2 million. That lender. You ain't got to worry about recouping $4 million. You can actually make money with that $2 million and do the exact same things that you need to do. And have to worry about less because you ain't got to pay off that and pay them for this. And you in control of everything. You can use $100,000 for marketing. You can use another $100,000 for videos. You can use another. You in control of that. They not in control of that, so you know what the numbers is and all that. So everything that you make it is 100% yours. Instead of you got to recoup. Because at the end of the day, it's the exact same thing. They're giving you a higher interest loan. Make it make sense. You're just getting a higher interest loan and got to pay back way more money. Vice versa, you're getting this $2 million loan from this bank, investing in the right places and making money back and continue to become independent. You can get that $2 million loan, go buy that house that you want, that car that you want, and do everything that you would have did with that record label loan. But as long as you making money back and paying back that loan from streams and whatever shows and apparel and things like that, make sure y'all come to get y'all World Tour t-shirts, $200 right now. $200, you get your World Tour t-shirt, one free live card, and one method. You can't beat that. Come get y'all shirts. You see I got how I'm promoting? Look, they come packaged and all that. Invest, make money, pay it back, and make a profit. That's how you become successful. That's how you become wealthy. You got to invest to become blessed. The more you invest, the more you'll be blessed. Easy as that. And a lot of people don't understand that. Hold on. Because you got to think, okay, you come up on a play, some type of play to get you $30,000, $40,000, $50,000, right? You can't do that play all the time. It's not going to continue to get you $50,000, $40,000. So now it's like, okay, what am I going to do with this $50,000, $40,000, $30,000? Am I going to spend it or am I going to invest it? Am I going to sacrifice investing this money to make money back passively in the long run? Or I'm going to spend this to look good, look fresh, and now that money gone, now I got to scramble and figure out how I'm going to make this money back again. Because if I make this investing and make this money back every month, now I can do whatever I want to do and continue to live good and make more money. Just because I made that one sacrifice, instead of buying this, took this $40,000 and bought me a $20,000 Rolex watch and a $15,000 car. Now I got $5,000. When I could have spent $20,000 invested it, and now each month I'm making $10, $15, maybe $20,000 back, and I made my money back plus more. Now next month I can go buy that Rolex watch. It's cool because I'm gonna make that $20,000 back or $15,000 or $30,000 back next month. Now next month I'm reading up my money. Boom. Now I'm right back to where I was. Let me go invest it. That's how it works. Because once you understand the business world and how to really make money, you understand the more you invest, the more you'll be blessed. You make $100,000 a month in passive income, you're technically a millionaire, because in 12 months, that's $1.2 million. And then you're like, okay, let me make $200,000 a month. Now we $2.5 million a year. You got to start thinking big. Think like that. And that's how you say, okay, what can I invest in? What type of businesses can I start? What type of people are good at something that need a little investment that I can invest in them and we can make money together? That's how you become successful. That's how you turn little things into, and it's businesses that you can start on your own. You can start a landscaping business. You can start a snow business, a clothing line, a shoe cleaning business. You can start a shoe painting business. Everybody got some type of niche or some type of a gift that they could do that somebody else can't do, that they can get paid for it. Point blank, period. I don't care. Everybody out in the world has something they can be getting paid for, because what you can do that somebody else is doing, they getting paid for it. And I know you see it, and I know you like it's kind of pissing you off. And I tell people this all the time when I get them lessons. Like, I could be out here spending hundreds of thousands of dollars on Cuban chains and watches and things that don't matter. But it's like, all right,